Hi, it's Nature Man Jim here again, and today we're going to explore the world of the fiddler crab. Genus Urca, and 100 species worldwide living in the tidal marshes worldwide, 3 in New Jersey, Urca pergulator, living near the coastline in sandier tidal marsh areas. Here, Urca minix, the mud fiddler, that lives in the upper areas of the marsh where there's a little less salinity. And the brackish water fiddler, Urca puglix, that lives along the reeds that leads to make its burrows along the roots of the spartina along the edges of the marsh. Fiddler crabs are part of Arthropoda, the phylum Arthropoda, with 8 walking legs and an exoskeleton they shed, as they grow. They've got 2 claws, a big claw on the male and a small claw on the male, a feeding claw. Females have 2 small feeding claws. Let's take a look at them now a little bit more closely. The claws of the fiddler crab are important for courtship, for defense. Males will prance along the marsh areas, defending their burrows against other males. They're also used for burrowing into the marsh area and plugging up their burrow when the tide comes in for a little chamber of air. Fiddler crabs have a special adaptation called claw regeneration or autotomy. They have the ability to shed their claw when a predator is after them. Therefore, the predator grabs the claw and the crab scampers away to live another day. They love to eat the marsh mud, which is dead decaying plant material called detritus, and they have a diurnal activity pattern. They're active like us during the day. They're tidally influenced. They move into their burrows during high tide, plug it up, and pull out of their burrows during low tide. The burrow is an important part of the crab's life. It's most important. It's up to 36 inches deep. It's part of an area they go for hibernation when it gets below 58 degrees. It's a hiding place against predators like herons and raccoons. It's a very important place in the crab's life. It's also a place they go during high tide. They're very ecologically important as they aerate the soil with their tunnels. They're a food source for many animals like herons and raccoons and egrets. And many studies have come out of Rutgers about fiddler crabs, some having to do with their implications during oil spills and also on their general behavior. Fishermen use them as bait for blackfish during the season. I hope you learned a lot about fiddler crabs today. Get to your New Jersey State Park, enjoy the outdoors, and remember folks, just observe, don't disturb. Thanks again.